Hello and welcome to another video. I've been thinking about painting a bag, an old one, which is a bit frayed, and I haven't been sure of what to paint on it, and I've been postponing it since ever. So finally, I got an idea. So today we are going to paint that. So this is the bag. It looks fine on one side, but the side where it has rubbed against, my clothes and stuff, it's kind of frayed. So I wanted to continue using this bag and paint this over. So let's go. Oh, one more thing. I'll try painting with posca pens first, but I doubt they'll work because my pens are quite old and they don't work very well. So if they don't work, I'll switch to acrylic gouache. So I have set up my table with all sorts of acrylic gouache, as you can see, and brushes and stuff. So I'm not sure whether I'll need them. I'll try poscas first because it'll be much easier and less of a mess. But if I can't do that, or if they don't work, I'll move to acrylic gouache. So let's go. Okay, let's wipe this down first. Give it a fair shot. I'm not sure what to paint on the sides. I want it to be black. Maybe I'll just paint over with black. But apart from the design that I've thought of, I'm wondering whether to use a clear gesso or go directly with the gouache. I think the acryla or acrylic gouache will stick to the bag, but the poscas might need a little help with gesso. Okay, as you can see, I've put a protective mat which I use from time to time on the table, not all the time, which I should, but anyway. So sorry if it doesn't look very aesthetic, but save the table. Okay, seems to be working. Can you guys see this? Okay, yeah. It's not as opaque as I want it to be. I guess I need to go over it a second time. So I've been thinking of doing this since ever, but I hadn't thought of a design which I really would like to carry or which is speaking to me. I think and then I got this idea. So I need to let it dry and go over again so that it's less tricky. Okay. So this is to test out the markers. Ouch. See, this is what I do. So therefore I need the protective mat. It's not as opaque as I want it to be. Maybe I'll paint with this first and later go over with my gouache. I don't know, are they like out of ink or are they dry? No idea. Okay, this one seems to be working. When in doubt, go violet. This one looks so, like the colors you can see, but the rest I don't know. The rest look white instead of pink. Maybe a brighter color. Okay, this one is nice. Maybe it's too on, like if you contrast to the black, maybe this is too light and hence it looks white. Let's try going over again and see if we can. Let's do. Try. Okay, let's try this pink. This is the only thing white I want in this painting, design, whatever you call it, is this thing. Now, what is it? Is it a ghost? Is it someone wearing a bed sheet over their head? I don't know. What do you think? Let's go over the colors one more time to brighten them up because they've dried up already. They dry quite fast, so which is great. Otherwise, I'll be smudging them all over. Some of them seem to be a bit watery. I don't know whether they have separated or. To be honest, I don't use them much. Like, I bought them because everybody was using posca, and then I still prefer paints. So. Now with brushes you have more control. Control. You think you have more control. Can you still see? I think moved a bit. It's an odd thing to paint under the camera. I'm not used to it. I'll put one more coat and come back. Okay, so I put one more coat. It's a bit streaky, but then it works with the character because it's It's not very clear what it is, or who it is. Let's draw some stems. Make it a bit whimsical. I really like this color. Yesterday I did a coaster painting with this ladybug, which you can see on the corner here. And now I'm a bit. The eyes need to be exactly how I envisioned, otherwise it won't look as cute and it'll start looking creepy. So I want it to look cute. Okay. It's cute. No? Oh, is it too elongated to be not cute? There is a fine line between cute and creepy. Forget this creepy. I can do this all day. I struggle to draw cute faces, like it's like, anime style and stuff. It's really hard for me. I don't know. They always look creepy, not cute. This looks neutral. Knee creepy, knee cute. No? What do you think? Should I make them bigger, the eyes? Wider and bigger? I don't know. This seriously, I think I've fallen into the rabbit hole of. Should we let it be? Is it cute? Is it creepy? Is it neutral? Okay, we need to do one more coat on this. I'll paint one more coat and come back. Okay, now the question is, should I leave it like this and just paint the freight parties black, or should I draw, make it a night scene and have a moon and stars, because the ghost is in the garden at night. I don't know. Yeah? Okay, we can always paint over because they're acrylics, so let's do it. Let's have a moon. Yeah, and I'm doing it yellow because I don't want anything else to be white other than this guy. Does it look like a moon? Oh my god, this paint is dripping everywhere. Okay, is this moon enough? I guess so. This still should work. And then stars. Should we make it the same color? I guess. Trying to use the paint which I've dropped. Maybe glowworms and stars. I kind of don't know what is what. Okay, now always overdo these dots and stars. Is this enough? I think so, no? Okay, maybe here, like some glowworm, glowworms, glowworm, glowworm. Okay, I'm just mumbling now. Because normally I'm painting alone, right, in my room. Like, I'm not talking to people, so I don't know what to talk about. Yeah, I like this yellow better than the previous thing that I put. So I'm trying not to waste this spill. Oh, cute, right? Okay, now let's paint over these frayed parts. I think this probably I should use paint, because this will take forever. Yeah, I think I'll take out my paints and use them. And I'll come back to you after I've painted. I'll just paint black over these parts which are quite damaged to just cover it up, and I'll get back to you. I thought I'll paint it here so you can see what I'm doing. This is Jet Black by Turner. It seems to be quite close to the black of the bag, so which is great, because sometimes if the blacks don't match, they can be quite visible. Hopefully after it dries, it should be fine. Just adding some brush strokes so that even if it looks different, it should look intentional. Now the black on black. I think on the camera you can't really tell, but in real life I can still see a little bit of a difference, but so that's it, my friends. This is the bag. This is the back of the bag actually. So the front of the bag is still, normal. I can always turn it around if I get bored of this side. But I quite like this. What do you think? Like Ghost in the Garden. And yeah, I think I'll use it. I don't know what to do about this because I don't know what it is. But okay. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, and do like and subscribe if you like to see more of this kind of videos or any painting video. Have a great day and see you till next time. Bye.